how to make real flower bookmarks. So I started off by purchasing a set of 10, and there's 4 of each style, these clear bookmarks. And so there is a sticky side and a cover. You basically just peel back the cover and lay your pressed flowers in there, and then you slip the cover back over and press the flowers inside. For the real flowers, I purchased a set off Amazon, and I'll leave those descriptions below. And these are all real, pressed, they're very thin, and they worked really well. Here's an example of one of the smaller flowers, like they're super thin, so these work really great for this. There's also other ways you could use these flowers in candle making, scrapbooking, different things like that. The other nice part was that the flowers came with a set of tweezers, and so just start decorating. Pick your jar, pick a couple flowers. I wouldn't try to make it too thick. You have more than enough flowers here to play with, so you can definitely design some fun ones. And we were even talking, you could put, like, if you're going to do it in memory of something, or you could even do it for a wedding and put the wedding date in it. And here's where we're just laying the cover back off, and then here's some of the different ones that we made.